Yes, Iyah. We're going to do a quick video here, so. You see it? The garbage them there same way, but they move them KFC sitting. Yeah man, they move them KFC box and it's full, you know. And people take what take place down today. Guess what take place in them old garbage? Palm Park field. Sports day them a keep. Business out sports day them a keep. See them a string up the parish council and police parish council. Fireman, suppose the police, hospital worker, JPS worker. Yes, Iyah. A big business out sports there down today. You must put up the intent there. The intent are right against. Yes, my general. Yeah man, big business out sports there down today. And I said, amongst them bag of garbage. Then garbage when they can't take off of the playground. Only they take off and then KFC box and then KFC food sitting. Pale. Look at the place untidy, stay me. I just said the children on the business house, I'm going to keep them sports there. You know, see it? Panyera Park, in a disgraceful condition, same way. Yeah, man. Yes. Yeah, man. I just said the children, they keep them business house, sports meet. I should not shame on yourself. I'm not going to come down here. Come and tell teacher me go forward, you know. I'm not going to come down here. Because I say Gager any man go down here, because Gager any man supposed to go run waste, you know. I don't want to see them man, my youth. I want to look quick video me I do. You know see it? Yeah man. I try to stay far. 100 zoom. Right down so. Then finally drop down the so. Yes. But football can't play on the field. The kids them can't play football on the field. Then cannot then cut down somebody while time in them. Part tight. Some still left back. Yeah. So a thief on a video, because I now come down when the crowd, you know. Because I say Gager and man come down today, you know. Them all mark out the football field. A man in ball of football field, sir. Them on go brighten it. Then put in some more. Then put in, yeah man, then put in 6-lane track right now. Yeah man. So them are then, back in the days, them type of sports there, to keep a center. Yeah man, the club sports them. Keep a center with village and conquerors and hits. All the sports, all the clubs them actually get a center. Get them promise Elks and Waitland property and keep proper sports, decent property. Look on the garbage. Look on the garbage. Pile up on the playground. And yes, so them are get children and people, them are going to keep them business house people them too, you know. Some big people them, you know. You know, see it? Some big people they go up on the garbage. Look more. Gager go down here. I don't come down here, I don't come down here at all. I don't come down here. All Gager go down here. And then pile of garbage. Yeah man. But them have left on the place same way. They go take out them. They go take out them KFC. KFC sitting them. You understand me? You see it? Big sports there. Look at Chulani business place them. The biggest cruise ship come out in the seat at Falmouth. And look on the playground where the business place my Falmouth I go keep them sports there pan. Big up yourself Mr. Keith Wellington. Big up yourself State Sports Complex. Eh? No big ship now come a Santa Cruz. And States are the best sports complex in Western Jamaica. For one school backyard. And look how big States is. And look how little is our places. Eh? Look how small is our places. Eh? And then can keep and carry. And billions are passed through Falmouth. Out of Royal Caribbean. And look on the garbage. Look on the garbage Gager them are coming up and down later on. Look on the garbage. The pile of garbage on the field same way. And Parish County Sports Day today. Parish County go down here now. Because they can compete. Look on the pile of garbage. The business sectors, the business workers of Trelawny and Falmouth. You know them nastiness here. They take part in the sports. You know see it? Yes, Iyah. This one now be long, you know. Because I put up one a while ago this morning. I talk about center. Tomorrow, I go put up one about bandstand. I go build a new one then about bandstand. Bandstand 2010 and bandstand now. Pay in your seat. Look how the place look. When Conquerors and Studs went off park, in a seat, park never used to look so. In a Michael Manley government, park never used to look so. In a Siaga government, park, when Mr. Kito said run Falmouth, park never had any garbage on Falmouth field. In a seat, on the field. Yeah man, in a Siaga government, this never depend park. In a PJ, they must sit never depend park field. In a Porsche government, they must sit never depend park field. In a Boots government, they must sit never depend park field. It only take Andrew Only's government for them garbage pack up on park playground. You know some set of nastiness. And that me I tell you now. Look at the business place in my farmer to come. I can run up and down later. You know see it? They must sit there on the place from before Bag School Sports. And me pull up, I'm use my hand and pull up them sitting there, you know. They must sit there. And me pull them up, you know, with my hand before Bag School. All them are sitting there and me pull them up on this so with my hand and throw them here so. And all them still there same way. They don't come off. And Parish Council that sports day down today. Parish Council that sports day down today. Look for bandstand. Look how bandstand stay. Eh? Hear me better. Now hear me here. I man talk no vex. Yeah man. Trelawny, look what Falmouth business us. I keep them sports. Me say big up yourself, Mr. Keith Wellington. Yes, Iyah. Yeah man. Look on State's backyard compared to yourself. Look how small your size and can take care of yourself. Look how Mr. Keith Wellington take care of. Where you go because they have sports next week Thursday, Friday and Saturday. They have Western primary sports. You man on State's backyard. On a State Sports Complex. Watch your brother. Pay garbage. Pay garbage. And Parish Council that sports day down today. For them make Parish Council workers them come clean the place. They have Parish Council workers them. I can run up and down. Amongst pay garbage. Yes, Iyah. Yes, Iyah. Yes, Iyah. Big up yourself, Soko. Big up yourself, Soko. Michael Manley Pitney. Yes. Yeah, man. I step out now. Yeah.